Boys and girls, it's time for social studies. And this week we've been learning about laws and rules. And today we're going to talk about police officers. Their job is to help enforce or make sure everybody follows the laws or the rules of our country. And that keeps everybody safe and doing what's right. So let's go ahead and read. Hooray for Police Officers by L. Parks. Police officers protect. Police officers protect people and places. Police officers are also called cops. Police officers work in small towns. They work in cities too. Where else do you think police officers work? The police make sure people follow laws. Sometimes people do not follow laws. Police officers may arrest those people. Police cars have bright lights and sirens. Police officers turn them on. Other people stop their cars. Police cars have computers. Computers help the police find people and places quickly. Dogs work with the police. This dog finds things by their smell. How else might dogs help the police? People must train to be police officers. They learn how to help people. They also exercise. Why do you think police officers need exercise? What do you think? Maybe because they have to be moving fast sometimes and making sure that they have to stay in shape. Police officers work long days. Sometimes their job is unsafe. Why do you think a police officer's job can be unsafe? Police officers work in many places. They protect everyone. And here are some police officer tools. Here's lights, a radio, police car, a gun, and handcuffs. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reading this book with me about police officers and how they help to protect us. Have a great day.